Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, which is very odd for me to be like live recording on a Tuesday because I'd be at work, but I'm sick. So, um, yeah, I called off of work. I'm still gonna trade, see if we could make some quick dough, and then I'm going back to sleep. Um, so as you can see, right here we've absolutely gapped up, and then the September contract started yesterday. We absolutely had a trend day at all-time highs. So I don't really like trading all-time highs, but we're gonna do the best we can to go green today. Sooner or later, we are gonna be filling this gap. Do I know when? I have no idea, but let's make it a good day. Let's switch over to the other screen and draw out our levels. Okay, so I drew out only two zones because these are the only two zones that have not been tested, and um, there's nothing else here, especially in this range. But we did finally break it, and so I took two trend lines, and oops, I took two trend lines, and we're gonna see if we could break out of this. So basically, what's gonna happen is, since there's no new zones anywhere near here, even here, we're just gonna wait throughout the day for a zone to develop throughout the day, and we'll trade off of that. All right, we got our first level of the day. See what we can do with it. All right, let's lock in. I don't want to see that double bottom on the tick chart at all. So worst comes to worst, might have to take the trade off the 15 range chart. I might have to get in on this candle right here, but it's too much of a risk. Okay, we're gonna go with one. Yeah, we're going in with one.
Order filled.
Only one.
Order submitted.
It's too big of a risk for me. It's like a $425 risk. Fuck that.
Order submitted.
Small day, I guess. That's what we'll make it. Yeah, our risk would be 212. I'm perfectly fine with losing $212 and fucking 400 and whatever if I bought two. We'll only make 112. It doesn't really matter. I didn't trade yesterday because I was at work, and there was nothing really for me to look at, and it was a trend day, so there was no like retracements at all on my charts because I like trading on the 15 range and the 2000 tick. So and tomorrow's Juneteenth, so the market's closed tomorrow. It's all good. Got today, Thursday and Friday. What's convincing me is if this trade does work out, this fucking wick, dude. I'll show you my footprint chart as well. You can see all this fucking selling, especially right here, this high volume node, and it just reversed up in a way. So it's kind of convincing me that we can get a nice pop up. We'll see, but it's the market, so you never really know what's gonna happen. Just take your setups, follow your rules, risk management, just as how I did, because I don't want to lose 400 and whatever dollars. Because the reason why I did the math, obviously, just fucking plus minus where you bought and the low where your stop is. But usually the 15 range candles sizes, they're all the fucking same, and it's usually they're 4 points and like 4.25 points each candle. So yeah, fuck that. Pretty cool. I can move my stop now. We hit it, but it didn't get filled. We need a tick above the 50. Just tick above the 50 will be good. Push. Fill me in.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order canceled.
All right, we're calling it a day. I don't care if it shoots up to the moon. I'm done. Juneteenth is tomorrow. We're gonna take off because the market's gonna be closed. Quick little scalp for the day. Risk management is key, everybody. I was not about to take a trade off my 15 range and risk 400 something dollars. Did good. Really nice. I'll see everyone Thursday and Friday.